What you doing? We're heading over to the swimming dock. The kids can swim in the whole lake, like even right in front of us, but they found a little cool dock area that they can go jump off of. So we're gonna head over there, let them play for a bit, and then I gotta get laundry done because they skipped it 3 days ago, and so we're super backlogged on laundry. But there's a laundry facility at this campground, which is awesome, so I don't have to leave to go do it. And then I gotta go to town and get a few groceries. We pretty much have to shop every day because our cooler just can't handle enough food to buy for multiple days. And then hopefully hit up 1 or 2 little thrift stores real quick, maybe, we'll see. And then we're going to my cousin's for supper tonight.
This is the story of the little horse with the fat king. He worked his whole life so hard for the fat king until one day he fell over and died.
Are you going in the water, Emmy?
I'm gonna go in.
Okay. Wait, what? Boring! Boring! What? Beached whale! Beached whale! Help! Help! We have to get him back in the ocean!
Too much mango. Toby.
I am Groot.
Yeah, Jesse! Alright, so we went to the thrift store, found a cart full of stuff to try on, and then found out that the change rooms were closed, which is probably one of my biggest pet peeves. But anyways, I tried on some of the shirts just not in a change room and found a few things. Found a corral bowl because each of our kids have their own bowl, but one of them broke recently, and the only ones we could find like at Walmart at a brand new store were the one that another kid already had. So when you go to a thrift store, there are older ones, so I found a vintage one. It'll still fit with our set, and we don't have it yet, so I got that for like 86 cents.
Fit with our set?
Fit with our set.
They're all mix match.
Yeah, I said a mismatched.
Mismatched.
So now we are headed over to my cousin's place. We are going to stop and grab some drinks on the way.
All right,
I'm just walking with Levi. The other kids are heading to the jump pad. I'm supposed to watch them for a little while, and then I think after that we're gonna go and swim in the lake. Yeah, Levi!
This is not a generator!
Whoa. Are you gonna get on?
Alright, Michael and Levi and I are heading to throw in some laundry. We had breakfast and kids are anxious to get in the water. So we're gonna throw in our laundry. Thankfully this RV park has washing machines at it, so we don't have to leave to go do our laundry. We can just throw it in and go and do some other stuff for a bit at the campground. So we're gonna throw it in and Michael's gonna take the kids swimming and I'm probably gonna put Levi for a nap. This is the laundry room at the campground. Very effective. We got a little tiny sink, a little folding counter, and 2 washers and 2 dryers. All right, so we didn't have enough change for the washers because we used it all up at the laundromat in Florida. So Michael is running over to the office. Hopefully they have change, and I'm going to get things loaded up so that they're all ready to go as soon as he gets back. Say hi. Put this in here. Oh, put it in. Good boy. Can you help me? Okay, so after all that, Michael ran to get change. They couldn't get into their change machine, change whatever they get change from at the office. So they came all the way down to the laundry room here and turned the machines on for us. And then she left and the machines weren't getting water. So after a few minutes, they started giving an error code. Thankfully, we were still here, or we would have just left for a few hours and came back later with dirty clothes. All right, so the kids went swimming for the early afternoon, and now Michael, Adri, Levi, and I are headed to town to try to get our laundry done if we can find a laundromat, which I think we did. For some reason, our Maps app is not working well in small town Georgia. It doesn't tell us when there's one-way streets, and it showed that there's no laundromats in town, even though we physically drove past 2 already.
And we didn't drive past.
Other days that we can't remember where they are though, and we didn't drive past this one, so there's at least 3 in town, and none of them come up.
What?
When you run out of laundry bag, when you run out of,
What?
When you run out of bags and you don't have a basket, use a sheet.
What?
This is the tent setup. It's a little bit messy right now. As we first walk in, you got where we dump all our shoes and the dirty laundry pile right here. Clothes, we've managed to jam into 3 different containers. The kids kind of pile up all their backpacks and toiletry stuff right here. Here we've got where Toby sleeps. That's where I sleep. Alex, Rebecca, Toby is folding laundry right now. Here we have Bethany, Emily, Jesse, parents, and then Levi sleeps in between them. Why are you guys swimming at nighttime?
What?
Why are y'all swimming at nighttime?
I don't know. Nice. And we can also collect some clay. I'm in the sea of gobbledygook.
Supper! Emmy, Bethy, come! Made in the open air, by the sea.
By the river.
That's a sea, that's a lake. That's a river.
You said sea.
It's hot though.
It's hot dogs?
Hold the bottom.
Or just let it all fall. Goes on your belt. Looks like a toy, really. So we're gonna see how this. Oh,
Yes.
it's a pocket knife.
Yes, Dad.
And then I got this thing.
So we're gonna see if this thing will actually make some kindling versus that. They both come with a.
We're having a hatchet
They both
battle.
come with a little wrench. So it's gonna take some little pieces, Toby.
Oh,
need to
you're
make
both like.
This is not gonna do anything.
Let's see here. I need to.
Got a hammer?
That's my hatchet.
Your hatchet is decorative more than anything.
I told you.
I was gonna survive with that thing.
I mean, it's that one will actually. Oh, you're gonna have to hit it.
This is weird.
Okay, so yeah, this doesn't do anything.
What you doing? Wow!
Yeah.
Levi's face says it all. Look at him. You guys look like kids banging your toys on the ground.
We are going to steal.
Tonight we're making a yummy snack. The kids are all in bed, so we're splurging. Basically, you wrap this up and then you cook it on the fire. And then this stuff gets all gooey and melty, and then the banana kind of gets partially cooked. So, yeah.